Principle one is answering their question, and that means taking whatever this topic is that you're trying to address and this particular keyword you've chosen and making sure that you answer whatever question is behind that topic. So let's go back to our spreadsheet. And for this, we've decided to do 5-day water fast results. It's relatively easy to address, low competition, so let's use that. Now, if somebody plugs 5-day water fast results into Google, what do you suppose they're looking for? They probably want to know, how did you feel during it? Did you lose weight? Were you tired? Was it hard to focus? Were you in pain? They want to know really detailed, like what happened at the end of it. They might particularly want to know if you lost weight, if you felt better. They want all of that information. So when I was going after this keyword, I knew that I had to provide an answer that provided all of the results somebody could look for when they were plugging in 5-day water fast results. So if we go back to the article, we can see that I have a lot of information up here. But then we can particularly go to this high level, what happened during the fast. And these are basically the spark notes. So I talk about how much I slept, how I felt day by day, how I felt walking around, climbing stairs, how easy or hard it was for me to focus, when I hit that turning point and started to feel really, really good during the fast, talking about brain fog and focus, when the hunger kicked in, when it didn't, how thirsty I was, how much water I had. I covered basically every single type of result that I could come up with for this 5-day water fast. And this is really important because when people are plugging in results, and when they're plugging in a keyword like 5-day water fast results, they want to know everything that happened. So you should at least have a section, if not the whole article, providing a complete answer to that topic that somebody came in looking for. And you should have it easy for them to find it. So if somebody just shows up on this page, it's a long article, right? This is about 4,000 words. And they might immediately see that and go, I don't want to read all that. Like, it looks like a lot of work. And so I give them a couple options. They can click on this high level or this day-by-day rundown, or they can just scroll and see they're scrolling. Okay, how to fast safely, competitive advantage. Oh, what happened during the fast? That's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you, Nat. That helps a lot with making sure that people answer their questions when they show up on your content. So make sure that 1, you're providing the answer to the core roots of that question, and 2, you're making it easy for them to find those answers if it's buried in a piece of your content. Now, I'm about to expand on this in Principle 2, so let's go to that now.